Welcome to Tamil Nadu, a land where history whispers through the winds and tradition dances alongside progress. Nestled in the southern part of India, this vibrant state offers a rich tapestry woven from millennia of history, culture, and modern innovation. Let's journey back in time to the reign of the mighty Cholas, Pandyas, and Pallavas, dynasties that sculpted the land with architectural marvels. The Brihadiswar Temple in Thanjavur and the Shore Temple in Mahabalipuram are not just structures, but standing testaments to a glorious past. As the cradle of Dravidian civilization, Tamil Nadu cherishes its continuous cultural heritage. The Tamil language, among the oldest classical languages in the world, resonates through the region, embodying its timeless spirit. Art flourishes here in its purest forms. Bharatanatyam, a dance form that narrates ancient stories through graceful movements, and Carnatic music, with its soulful melodies, are more than performances. They are living traditions. Festivals like Pongal, Deepavali, and Thai Pusam burst into life with colors and celebrations, reflecting the vibrant traditions of the Tamil people. Meanwhile, Kollywood, the state's dynamic film industry, captivates audiences with its storytelling prowess. But Tamil Nadu is not just about preserving the past. It strides confidently into the future as an industrial powerhouse. Chennai, the bustling capital, is a hub of economic activity and cultural exchange. The state is a leader in sectors like automobile manufacturing, information technology, and textiles, and is making significant advances in renewable energy. Education and healthcare have seen remarkable growth, while the state's diverse geography, from the serene hill stations of Ooty and Kodaikanal to the rich biodiversity of its wildlife sanctuaries, offers a haven for nature lovers. In a land where Hinduism predominantly thrives, the religious landscape is diverse and inclusive, with significant communities of Christians and Muslims. Social reform movements have long championed equality and justice, contributing to the state's progressive spirit. Throughout Tamil Nadu, distinctive temple architecture stands as a reminder of the intricate artistry and devotion of its people. In essence, Tamil Nadu is a unique blend of ancient legacy and modern achievements, a place where the past and present converge seamlessly, inviting the world to explore its wonders. Join us on this journey through time and tradition, where every corner tells a story and every story enriches the soul.